Alrighty guys, I am here at Maker Table in Nashville, just north of Nashville, right?
Yeah, Nashville's good.
I figured I'd stop by, see Maker Table, meet Adam. Good to meet you, man.
What's up, dude?
We've met once before, right?
Yeah, at FabTech, what was that?
Never fails. We're gonna put together some of the kits he makes and sells. He'll put together some of mine. We'll have a link to his channel down in the description as well as at the end of the video. Let's jump right into it. There's not so much a front and back to these, are there?
Not with this laser.
Yeah.
It's all dead nuts, man.
Put some tacks on this. Alright, so I goofed. I put my first tacks right here, which is a logical place to put them, except that now they're in the way for this guy, so I'm gonna have to grind before finishing my fit up, but that's alright. Oh, don't film me not using a chipping hammer.
Head on over to the website, use code 42Fabricate, and I'm actually going to give these DXF files away for free to viewers of Richard's channel. So go check it out, guys.
So we've got the Maker Square all put together. Adam's got a video over on his channel of putting together this kit of mine. It's our mini chimenea, and I'm going to be extending our Black Friday sale. That'll get this kit delivered to you anywhere in the country for $75 flat. Best price I've ever had on that one. All right guys, that was a good one. The Maker Squares fit up beautifully on the laser cut ones, but the files are actually available and designed for plasma, right?
Yeah, I made everything have a little bit of extra tolerance because I know most of us don't have a freaking laser. I don't have one.
So Adam, where do we find you if I want to follow on Instagram, YouTube, website, all of that?
All right, the website is makertable.com. We're on YouTube under MakerTable. We're on Instagram, maker.table. We're on Pinterest at MakerTable. Pretty much everywhere you go, we're under MakerTable.
Thanks for having me out, man.
Thank you so much
try
for
out some
coming.
other stuff and check the shop out a little bit. You guys want to check Adam out? Links, I'm over here, and there's going to be a bunch of stuff down in the description. Until next time, thanks for stopping by.
Later.